DJ Khaled, man, you insulted me, man. You insult Jamaica.
Wow. Wall at Khaled. Yeah, people, you don't know it's a Gryzzly be representing for the World Network, Reggae Vibes Media. And that one, yeah. What I say? That one, yeah. Sizzla Kalonji, big up yourself, dada. You know what I mean? The man who burn the fire, them, the reddest. The man who speak and liberate the people, them. You know what I mean? The one to motivate the youths, them. You know what I mean? The one who say repatriation is a must. Rasta who burn fire unquenchable. So watch you now. Sizzla Kalonji seems very disgruntled with the fact that he was presented with two, plaques. And on the plaques, him hardly can't see him name. Yet still, he's the artist who provided the material to DJ Khaled, the producer. And these albums sell over 1,000,000 copies. You see what I say, people? So the artist disgruntled. Yeah? I'm going to show you a video clip of how the artist deal with it. Because fire for burning up.
The boss. Bun that. You insult me. You're not the best, you're the worst. How you feel like DJ Khaled? You can style Sizzla. And me boss you, man. Augusttown boss you. Joking. More fire upon that. About now fire king and fire this. Show you what I go on. Bun. Wrong plaque you send come give it. Africa. Burn the devil. Burn corruption. What you feel like? Wrong plaque you send. Me can't even see my name. And I know you send plaque come give me. What hard work. Joke you take this thing. Bun black. Bun plaque.
Fire have to burn and you have to stand up for something. Because if you don't stand up for something, you're going to fall for everything. Yeah? And then if you put out your work out there, you want to be represented on a certain level. Because your repertoire in the entertainment system in the world is on a high level. So Sizzla Kalonji no feel good for no say DJ Khaled. At this jockey in the earliest phases of his career, we come to Jamaica, meet the artist accommodate him. If you know the history, you know the history. But the artist no feel good. And then for me, I'm gonna be honest. If I put so much work within an entity and you are presenting me with something, when you give it to me and I look upon it, my art supposed to lift up to a certain level, because when I was doing the work, or when time I get the music, or when I gonna make the material for you, yeah? I put my heart and soul in it, I put 200% in it, because I say, DJ Khaled this. So we have to do it in a certain manner, say, go out there, resonate with the people, the whole idea we have and the concept of the album. You know what I mean? We have to work with the theme. So, him put in the work. So, yeah, him get paid, but now he's awarded with something where him not feel comfortable with. Something we're going to do in his house for years. Something we're going to do in his studio. Something people are going to come and them are going to look. And, the artist are saying, can't ever see him name. So imagine people. Sizzla Kalonji. Not even a photo of the artist. One of them big portrait photo there. Imagine. I send a big plaque. Come give you. With your work. And not even a picture. And then your name. The way how them place the artist's name. It is so small. Now I'll show you a video clip. Yeah, when you see the video clip, you're going to see. Right? So small, you have to go so close. You're supposed to can there. Way out and see the artist's name.
Get rid of that. You rate Rasta.
So
Rasta do all here in a rate Rasta.
Glass again.
Wow, magnifying glasses, see that? You rate Rasta. I'll show you how to deal it right next.
Let's stop.
Oh, way fire.
Watch that.
Watch your blazing.
Oh, it's rock.
Yeah. Cut and clear.
You insult me, DJ Khaled. Babies are innocent. I saw that the boss. Get a knife there. Get a knife.
Cut out the baby.
We're live. Holy man, we're live.
That's it.
You insult me, DJ Khaled, man. How are you really are? Cut out the baby. Take out the baby picture.
Cut out the baby picture. What is this?
You insult me, DJ Khaled, man.
Oh yeah.
Cut out the baby picture. Baby innocent.
Fruits are the fruits.
Supposed to, you can see the artist name from way out. It's supposed to be big in a bold capital letters. So you can see, say, yes, Sizzla Kalonji, the big plaque, you know what I mean, the work where the artist put in. Yeah. Separate and apart from that, you know Kalonji never stop work. Kalonji never stop make music for the youths. Never stop make music for the people. You know what I mean, the poor and needy. You know what I mean, the people who want somebody to talk to, the people who want somebody for, you know, a shoulder for lean pan. So Sizzla Kalonji have an album that come out right now. So you can look forward for it and just keep in tune with Reggae Vibes Media. You know what I mean? So you can get all updates, all of the latest information them pertaining to Dada. Yeah? So Dada have an album that come forward. So one of the ones them look forward for the album there. I know a be a fire. Because Dada always stand up. Dada lay down. As I said earlier, you have to stand up for something. Because if you stand up in a man, you have to fall for every and anything. So the artist not feel good. DJ Khaled, the artist not feel good, brother. What kind of style that, man? DJ Khaled is a man who fly come a yard, regular and they boy, regular and they run the artist them regular and I go on with the whole heap of things. Whole heap of collaboration, you know what I mean? King Shango, Sizzla Kalonji, Bounty Killer, you know? And then, I want to know what them artists they got, what say about it. What is going to be their take, you know what I mean? And the actions and the stance where Dada take. Because I swear to you, remember, you know, each one to his own. You see me I say, Dada know the type of relationship I'm share with DJ Khaled. So, him know. Him know. So people, like, comment and share. Remember, you know, you can also leave a comment. You can relate to what me I say. I'm relate back forward to you. You know, we can have a debate about the whole thing. I'm not just start this video, any video. So remember, you know, press the notification, ding dong, that bell. Yeah. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to Reggae Vibes Media. You know what I mean? For the latest update, entertainment, about reggae music, yeah, in a yard. Right there, so. You don't know it's your boy Gryzzly beer and I'm out. Check your name Babylon system. Zin? Yeah, Sizzla Kalonji. Hot. That burn the fire. Because the system now go on good. And you can see. When I look around now, Babylon a perch or Babylon a move, some fire have got light up around here. So you have got to check out that trap there. You see me I say? Yeah, Babylon system. Right now the artists address the system. Sizzla Kalonji. Big up yourself in the Dada. Yeah, for over here so. For over Reggae Vibes Media. Yeah, you hear me talk.
Reggae Vibes music, yeah. Come to teach the youths there. Come to teach the youths there. Don't trust no Babylon, cause Babylon not like you. Don't fear no wicked man, cause wicked man them not righteous. No matter where you see a one, a time for we rise up. Them things say I them alone, but everyone wise up. So yes, you gotta get out of the Babylon system. Babylon not help you. Almighty, you'll reach to the top. Keep working smart and pray a whole lot. The mission is to liberate the people, and that's a fact. Only truth and knowledge can bridge this generation gap. The people strive for a better life. You push them aside and that's not right. The people try every little thing, and every day them get a fight, yeah. Yes, you gotta get out of Babylon system. Babylon not help you. Yes, you gotta get out of Babylon system. Oh, wow, wow. Yes, you gotta get out of Babylon system. Babylon not help you. Yes, you gotta get out of Babylon system. Oh, wow, wow. You sit down and now wait for your break, while your life and your future is at stake. You think said them a go bring it come gear. Them no know your Babylon now want see ya. Make the first move towards your project. The picnic them want food, food off his surface. I pray to the Most High, guide each and everyone a higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Yes, you gotta get out of the Babylon system. Babylon not help you.